Good morning, all of you. Today we will be discussing the questions under the heading Try This in page number 13. So, here we are going to use the concept of distributive property. Property for subtraction. What is that? You know that it is A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. Okay, this is what the distributive property says. So we are going to use this concept here. Okay, so our first question is 10 into 6 minus 2 equal to 10 into 6 minus 10 into minus 2? So we are asked whether these two are equal or not. Okay, so first let's take the left hand side, or I am writing it as LHS. Okay, what is LHS here? So here LHS equal to 10 into 6 minus 2. Now what is that? It is equal to 10 into what is 6 minus 2? We know that for the subtraction of integers we will add with the additive inverse of the second number. That is, instead of minus we will put plus. And what is the additive inverse of minus 2? It is 2. Okay, so we will get it like this. Now what is next? It is 10 into what is 6 plus 2? It is 8. So we will get it as 10 into 8, which is equal to 80. So we got the left hand side equal to 80. Now let's see the right hand side RHS. So what is the right hand side here? It is 10 into 6 minus 10 into minus 2. Okay. Now let's see that, which is equal to what is 10 into 6? It is 60. Now we will put the minus sign. Now what is 10 into minus 2? That is multiplication of a negative integer with a positive integer. That means we will multiply them as whole number and put the negative sign. So 10 into 2 is 20 and we will put the negative sign. So minus 20. Now here we are going to subtract integers. So we will add with the additive inverse. That is 60 plus additive inverse of minus 20 is 20. So we got 60 plus 20, which is equal to 80. Okay, so in the left hand side we got 80 and in the right hand side also we got the answer as 80. Okay, so we can say that these are equal, or you can say that 10 into 6 minus 2 equal to 10 into 6 minus 10 into minus 2. That is distributive property for subtraction. That is true here. Okay. Now let's see the second question. So this is our second question. That is minus 15 into minus 7 minus 1 equal to minus 15 into minus 7 minus 15 into minus 1. You need to see whether these are equal. So first let's take the left hand side. Left hand side equal to what? In the left side we got this one, that is minus 15 into minus 7 minus 1. Okay, so what is the answer for this one? Minus 15, let's write it as it is, then into what is minus 7 minus 1? We will write it as minus 7. Instead of minus we will put plus. Now additive inverse of minus 1 is 1. Okay, So minus 7 plus 1. Now this is equal to minus 15 into, what is minus 7 plus 1? So we are adding integers having different signs. So you have to subtract them and put the sign of bigger number. So 7 minus 1 is what? 6. And the bigger number is 7. So its sign is negative. So we will get minus 6. Okay. Now this will be equal to minus 15 into minus 6. That is, we are going to multiply two negative integers. So we will multiply them as whole and put the positive sign. Okay, that is, what is 15 into 6? 15 into 6 is 90. So we will get the answer as plus 90. Okay, now let's see the RHS, or the right hand side. Okay, what is the right hand side here? It is minus 15 into minus 7 minus minus 15 into minus 1. Okay, now what is minus 15 into minus 7? You need to multiply them as whole and put the positive sign. Okay, so what is 15 into 7? Let's see that. 15 into 7 means what? 105. Okay, 105. So let's write that 105. Okay, now minus, what is minus 15 into 1? When multiplying them as whole, we will get 15 into 1, which is 15, and put the positive sign. Okay, so we will get it like this. Now plus 105, or simply 105. So we are going to subtract two integers. That means we will add with the additive inverse of the second. That is, instead of minus, we will put plus. Now what is the additive inverse of plus 15? It is minus 15. Okay. So now you are going to add integers having different sign. That means you have to subtract them and put the sign of bigger number. That is 105 minus 15. What is 105 minus 15? You will get the answer as 90. So we will get the answer as plus 90. Okay, so left hand side is plus 90 and right hand side is plus 90. That means you can say minus 15 into minus 7 minus minus 1 equal to minus 15 into minus 7 minus minus 15 into minus 1. Okay, so that's all about this property, distributive property. So that's all. Thank you.